Hello guys, this is Arfin Sahid vlog. So guys, today I talking about life insurance. So guys, life insurance is very good for people because some people sometime by chance the accident, or some people have a big issue for typhoid, what is it called, the cancer. Too many have a big amount need to go hospital and need to go doctor. Too much need to more money waste for this. So guys, life insurance, what you do, life insurance, when you apply for life insurance, when you accident, and when you have any what is called cancer, by chance you make accident, you he have give you few money. Okay, few money, he give you your treatment. Okay, few money give you treatment. So guys, what you do, you where the life insurance, the policy, go there and you apply for your life insurance. Sometimes you will accident or anything, he will give you the few money, your treatment, and you can what you call, uh, you can happy, you can make happy, and you don't have any tension for this. This one for all people, you can apply for. Poor people also can apply. Any people you can apply for your life insurance. Life insurance better for every people. So I hope you understand from this video. Life insurance is better for everyone. So I hope you will apply for life insurance, and you apply for your whole family, and I hope you enjoy and no risks and no anything. So guys, thanks for understand.